Good morning. Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? So, girls, today is Wednesday and the spelling is Wednesday, and the date is 10/10/1443 after Hijrah. After that, girls, I need you to open your notebook and copy this sentence. Rubber is one of the most important materials, okay? Today, inshallah, girls, we will take Unit 14, Lesson 2 and 3 in our book, Better English Now. Just focus with me. First of all, ask and answer game. If I ask you, girls, what should you do to live a healthy life? I should sleep early. I should eat healthy food. I should drink milk. I should drink a lot of water. I shouldn't watch too much TV. Okay, now I will start giving you the first word in my lesson today, which is rubber. What do I mean by rubber in Arabic, girls? مطاط, okay? R-U-B-B-E-R. R-U-B-B-E-R. What is this or what are these? These are rubbers, okay? Then I will ask you to write the word rubber in your notebook. What about this, girls? What can you see? I can see some materials. What do I mean by materials? أدوات, okay? Materials, M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L-S. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L-S, okay? The third word, girls, in my lesson today is important. What do I mean by the word important? For example, water is very important. Eating is very important. Or food is very important. What do I mean by important? Important means مهم, okay? Now focus with me. I will start reading, girls. Rubber. Rubber is one of the most important materials because it has many uses. It has uses at home, uses in play and industry. Women use rubber gloves to protect their hands when they clean the kitchen and wash the dishes. Rubber bands are used to hold things together. Rubber balls and tennis balls are used for playing. Children also like to play with balloons. Rubber is suitable for making balloons because it is elastic. Industrial use includes hoses, automobile, tires, and foods. Natural rubber comes from the milky juice of rubber trees. These trees grow in Malaysia and Indonesia. قال تعالى وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي. What did you understand? We understood that no plants, no animals, no people can stay alive without water, okay? Then, girls, you should open your book, page 67, and do the exercise, okay? Now, girls, why is rubber important? Because it is elastic. Why did you get a high grade? You should write here because I studied hard. Why did you arrive late? Because of the flat tire. What are you saving your money for? Because I want to buy a bike. What's your mother making? Why is your mother making cookies? Because of Eid al-Fitr. Because Eid al-Fitr is coming. Then, girls, we will do this exercise together in my virtual class, girls. Okay? So this is the end of my lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and goodbye.